Hello guys, if you want to see how I created this intro, keep on watching. So I'm going to be using Inshot app. I'll open my Inshot, I'll click on video, I select new and I select that blank space right there and it shows up. I tap on it and you can drag it to the right to increase the duration, or you click on duration and you just set it to how you want it. I wanted 5 seconds and that was fine. I click on PIP and I add a photo. Select any photo you want and add it, and I'm going to change the frame of this picture. I don't want it to be square, I want it to be something round. I click on mask and I select any one I want there. You can use the love shape, but I wanted the round one, so I'll just adjust it and I click on OK. Then I'm going to position it where I want it to be, and yeah, I'll click on OK. Next, now I want to change the background from black to something peachy. Click on canvas, click on background, and I'm going to just select a nice color and click OK. Then I'm going to add text. Start writing what I want. Right there, Odispassion, that's the name of the channel. And I'll click on AA, which is the font. Change the font. Click on that color wheel right there. I change the color, maybe the text, the border, whatever it is, and I click on OK. And I'm going to add another text again after this. So yeah, click on that text plus sign. I write subscribe and I change the font to Bebas. I go to the color area and I leave it at white. The text will be white, but I click on label because I want the background to be different. I select red color and I change it to a different shape, which is this one right here, and I click on OK. So right now, click that arrow there, and I'll select clip end for the both sides, just so that it drags it to the end of the clip and not halfway. Clip end. Then I click on that subscribe option there. Remember that we want to create an animation, so at the point it's going to change to subscribed. So let me just reduce that first one to this point. Then I'll select it, click on edit, click on that animation. Then I'm going to add an animation towards the ending of the text. That's out, and I select that, but when that in part is going to be none, so I'll just adjust it to how fast I want it to reflect or how slow I want it to be. So the out is that option, but in is nothing. Then I'm going to copy it and I'll make it 2. Click on that right arrow and I select clip end so that it drags to the end. I edit it, click on edit, and I go to animation. So the beginning, which is in, will have an animation, while out will not have any animation. It's going to be basic, that's no animation. Select none, and that is it. So I'm going to click on edit again and I'll add the D. At that point, to change to subscribed, I'll change the background color, which is the label, to something else. I'll change the text to black and you see what we have. I click on OK. Yeah, so if we play it, you see that it changes to subscribed and the color changes. So I'll click on OK and I'm going to add music just to give life to those things. I select effects, click on popular, and I'll just choose success, you know, for the first animation that we are doing for the first subscribe option. So that is it. By the time it's changing to subscribed, I'm going to add another one just at that point. So I'm going to drag it to that point and I'll click on effects, popular, then I'll select button. You know that sound it makes when you just click on a button. That is it. So let's play it and see. Yeah, but then I want to add the bell icon, and Inshot stickers don't have it, so I'll select text, go to my keypad emoji option, I select a bell there, I click on edit, and I want to just go straight to adding animation. So I'll select it. I want it to shake, so I'll choose that loop option. Then I'll just, those options are showing you how slow you want it to shake or how fast you want it to shake, and this other one is for how long you want it to shake. I'll click on OK when I'm done. And this is, I'll drag it to the side. This is how it is, but I don't want the bell to be shaking all through. I want it to only shake when you've clicked on subscribe. So I'll just tap on it at that point, select split, and it's going to be 2 different ones. I edit that first one and I remove all the animations. Click on basic, that's none. I'll come back later and edit that second bell. You see that towards the end it disappeared because we did not drag it to the end of the clip. So just click on OK, add music. I'll add music for that bell right there. So when the bell starts shaking, I'll add music. I click on effects, and this time around I select the bells option under the effects. I'll try a couple of options, and I settled for the phone number 3 because it sounded like something I would want to use. I select it, and yeah, I'll just adjust it to the end of the clip with those arrows there by tapping on the arrow. So let's play it and see. Yeah, it's giving us what we want. So just click on OK. It's giving us what we want. Next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to drag that clip to the clip end so that it does not disappear halfway like you saw. So I'm now going to come back and add. Yeah, I like it. So I'm going to add some designs to this. I click on PIP and I select that green Christmas tree background option. I did not see a green Christmas tree background on net. I searched for transparent Christmas tree and I saw it, but when I brought the image to Inshot added a black background to it, and it did not go well with the whole chroma thing. So if I wanted to add a green background, I go to Adobe Spark Post. I add the picture to Adobe Spark Post. Then I select it. This is the picture I downloaded online. I tap on it and I use original size. Click on done. Tap on that stuff there. Click on delete. Tap on that watermark and I remove the watermark. Tap on it again. Then I click on remove background and it loads up to something close to what the image is. But I look for another color and change it so that it's easier for me to remove the background on Inshot. So I save this and I go to Inshot and I use it. If I use any other color, it's not going to really be that nice. Chroma works more with green. So this is it. I'm going to copy it. Click on copy and I drag the second one to the left. Yeah. So I'm going to now click on chroma and change it and make the green disappear. So I click on chroma and I just drag it to the green, any green part of the image, and the whole green disappears. I do the same for the next one. Then I'm just going to resize, like I'm just going to position it to the side so that it's not too in the middle. After that, I'm going to blend this image to the background. I don't want it to stand out too much. So let's position it well. Then I'll click on one of them, click on blend, drag it to the left. The more I go to the left, the more it disappears. So I'll do that for the both of them and I click on OK. And I went to canvas option just to change the background and make it more pinker. So that's the next thing I did after this. And I'm now going to add music after that. I click on music and I click on tracks and I just click on imported, and any music I had imported, which is copyright free, of course, I use it. Or you can import any other one. So I'll just edit that music, cut some parts out. This is how it sounds and looks. Thank you guys. Please subscribe, like this video, share. See you in my next video. Bye.